Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin now by confirming core prerequisites, accounts, class lists, and reading levels. Once done, set placement so books match skill, not age. This avoids frustration. Next, schedule a 15 to 20-minute starter session and invite students, make clear expectations. You should demonstrate one book together, model how to log in, select a book, and use the built-in tools. Doing these steps immediately creates momentum and prevents delay. Start with action rather than extra setup. Once students are reading, focus on the core routine. Teach the reading, questioning, and vocabulary workflow. You should model one question type, then release responsibility so students practice aloud and independently. Use paired reading to coach fluency, then assign an independent book for comprehension checks. Make sure to use the program quizzes and notes to capture progress. These data points show growth and inform reassignments. Vary activities to maintain engagement, and check in with struggling readers immediately so you can adapt. To finish each session, have students complete the quiz and write a 1 to 2 minute reflection. This reinforces comprehension and creates a record. Once done, review assessment results and adjust levels monthly. Combine test scores with your observations for accurate placement. If something breaks, troubleshoot simply. Clear the browser cache, check audio settings, and reset passwords before reassigning work. If persistent, export the error details and contact support. These closing habits keep the program running smoothly and learning continuous.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.